Hi there and welcome to Mr. Mitchell's Mathematics. Today we're going to be looking at how to find the area of a rectangle. Like always, make sure you've got a pen and paper ready so that you can do the calculations in this video. So, luckily for us, it's relatively straightforward to find the area of a rectangle. All you need to do is times one side by the other. In this example in front of us, that is timesing 9 centimeters by 12 centimeters. So why don't we do that? 9 times 12 equals 108. Now the thing to remember at this point is that it's very important to remember the units. So in this case it's centimeters, and as we're working in 2 dimensions, squared. So the area of this is 108 centimeters squared. So I hope that was okay. Why don't you have a go at solving your own problems? Here there are 2 rectangles for you to try and find the area of. Pause the video now and in a few moments I'll show you how to work it out. Great, so let's start with this smaller one. What we have here is one side that is 2 meters and one side that is 7 meters. 2 times 7 is 14, so let's write 14 here. And what's the unit? Well, it's meters. And because we're in 2 dimensions, squared. Good. So let's try the next one. Here we have 15 meters and 18 meters. Now 15 times 18 is pretty hard, so you probably need to use the column method. In this case, I'm just going to tell you that the answer is 270. And like before, we need to make sure that the units are right, which is meters squared. So I hope you got those answers right. Before we leave, I'm going to give you another chance to have a go on your own. Here are 3 different rectangles, all of which are ready for you to work out what the area is. Pause the video now and in a few moments I'll give you the correct answers. Best of luck. So let's start with the first one. 9 meters times 50 meters is very similar to 4 times 5, which is 45, but just with an extra 0. So that's 450, the unit meters squared. For the next one here, we have 7 centimeters and 13 centimeters. Again, you might have needed to use the column method to work this out, but the correct answer is 91. Here the units are slightly different. They're not meters but centimeters, but we still have the squared because we're working in 2 dimensions. The last one is 12 meters times 13 meters, another tricky calculation, but the correct answer is 156, and here the units are meters squared. So I hope this lesson has been useful. If you have any questions or queries, leave a comment in the section below and make sure to subscribe to Mr. Mitchell's Mathematics. Have a great day.